Hi, I'm Herschel Sanchez from San Fernando, Pampanga, 40 years old. I stand here for all the millions of OFW kuyas and ates who spent years putting others first because I know what it feels like to sacrifice your own dreams for the people you love. As the eldest of 8 siblings, I chose to be an OFW instead of finishing my college so I could give my family the opportunities I never had. Today, all 7 younger siblings have graduated from college, and we're so proud of what we have achieved together. However, somewhere along the way, I forgot about myself. Years ago, I was diagnosed with clinical depression. But through therapy and faith combined together, I learned one life-changing truth. Self-care is not selfish. So today, I am so happy to share with you all that I am no longer just a brother or a son. I am also a loving partner. I am a runner. I am a Hyrox athlete. I started looking for schools to finish the college degree that I once put off, and slowly I'm learning how to embrace vulnerability. And this wonderful opportunity to be here with you all is for all the millions of OFWs, ates, and kuyas, and for the breadwinners, kasama kayo dito. Keep loving your family, but don't forget to include yourself in that kind of love. Because at 40, becoming a superbot is not only having about stronger physique anymore. It is also about choosing to grow every time. And this is my superbot era.